Our next cocktail today is our Jungle Bird. We've got our Kraken Dark Rum, we've got our Campari, we've got agave sugar syrup, we've got pineapple juice, and we've also got some limes to go with it. We're going to garnish it with some lime wheels. This time we're going to use one of our jars. In our jar and in our shaker we're going to add ice. And we're going to add all of our ingredients into our shaker. So we're going to go with 30 mils of Kraken, 15 mils of our Campari, .45 mils of pineapple juice, .10 mils of agave syrup, we're going to add our lime, squeezing out the juice as we put it in. Take our shaker, shake it all together. We're going to pour our ingredients into our glass. We're going to add our 2 straws. And our lime wheel. That's our Jungle Bird.